Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to print Jotform. This is incredibly useful when you need physical copies of your forms for record-keeping, client meetings, or simply to review your form layout offline. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. This will take you straight to your Jotform dashboard where all your forms are stored and ready to be managed. In the dashboard, you'll see a list of your existing forms. Select the form you want to print, then click the Edit Form button. This opens up the form builder where you can make modifications and add features to your form. Now look over to the left panel and click on Add Element. You'll see several tabs here, but we're interested in the Basic tab. Scroll down through the available elements until you find the one labeled Submit, then click it. This adds the Submit element to your form if it's not already there. Next, you'll notice a gear icon right next to the Submit button. Click on that gear icon to access the settings for this element. This is where you can customize how the Submit button functions and what additional options are available to users. In the Settings panel that appears on the right, select the Advanced tab. This section contains more specialized options for your Submit button. Here, you need to toggle the Print button option to On. Enabling this feature is what allows users to print the form directly from the browser, which is exactly what we're aiming for. Once you've enabled the Print button, it's time to make your changes live. Click the Publish button located in the top orange navigation bar. This saves all your modifications and updates the form for anyone who accesses it. Now, to test that the print function works properly, copy the form's share link, open a new tab in your web browser, and paste that link into the address bar. This loads your form as it would appear to any user. When the form loads, you should now see a print button that appears on the page. Click that print button and your browser's print dialog will open up. From here, simply click print to send the form to your printer or save it as a PDF if you prefer a digital copy, and there you have it. You've successfully enabled and used the print function on your Jotform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.